न अॻिते वधियासीं न पोइते हटियासीं, जिते जा हुआसीं उते ई रहियासीं। ज़माने मां कुझु बि नथो थियो हासिल, ज़माने मां कुझु बि न थियो हासिल, दिलासनि ऐं दुख ऐं दोखनि में रहिजी वियासीं। हाणे गुज़ारिश कंदसि 9 क्लास जो शागिर्द रिज़वान अली खोसे खे त हू तव्हांजे अॻियां अची स्पीच पेश करे।
The start name of the Allah who is the most Rahman or Rahim. Respected Headmaster Sahib, honorable teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today is our day, wrapped in mixed emotions, joy for the matric class and a gentle sadness as we prepare to say goodbye to friends who have shared 4 beautiful and unforgettable years with us. Dear matric students, for 4 pleasant years we have walked through these corridors, lighters, competed on the playground, prepared for exams with determination, and created memories that will forever remain part of this institution. You are part of this institution. You are not just a senior student. You are our guides, our role models, and sometimes even our silent teachers. We, the students of 9th class, have learned from your discipline, your confidence, and your unity. Whether it was from morning assembly, class presentation, debates, or school events, you always stood firm and represented our school with dignity. Your journey has inspired us to aim higher and dream bigger. But dear friends, behind every successful student stands a committed teacher. To take this opportunity to pay tribute to our respected teachers, their tireless efforts, sincere and unwavering dedication have shaped not only your academic achievements but also your character. They have taught with patience, corrected with kindness, and guided with wisdom. Their commitment to education is not just a profession, it is a noble mission. Dear teachers, you are the teachers of young minds. Through your hard work and devotion, you have transformed these students into confident, individually ready to step. Deeply appreciate your sacrifice and your continuous engagement. Dear matric class, as you step into a new phase of life, remember that this farewell is not an end, but a new beginning. The lesson learned here about respect, presence, friendship, and will guide you wherever you go. May you rise high, achieve your dreams, and bring pride to your parents, teachers, and this school. We will miss your presence, but we are proud to see you move forward toward brighter horizons. Every field of life keep you under his protection. Thank you. सलाम। हाणे मां पंहिंजो आख़िरी शाइर पढ़ी पंहिंजी जॻह वठंदुसि। ए सिंधड़ी जिंदड़ी सुस्त नथी, ए सिंधड़ी जिंदड़ी सुस्त नथी, जंहिं पाणीअ में था पाण रहूं, उन पाणीअ मां तो साज़ अचे, मेहरान हर हिक छोलीअ मां तो सिंधुअ जो आवाज़ अचे, तो सिंधुअ जो आवाज़।